Hello y'all, but this is another episode of me doing my own hair. This is the best crochet hair I think I've ever dealt with. Right here, this is the name of the brand, Trendy Tresses. This is the color I'm using today, in case you are curious. This is the name of the curl. This one comes in, this is 12-inch. And I'm literally going to show y'all how you can do a protective style without any of your real hair out. We're going to do a complete fro, bang all, so you can't even see this color of my hair, and turn it into this right here. So we're going to make sure we don't leave any hair out. I'm going to show you ladies how you can do a protective style without having to have any of your real hair out. This is a great protective style, baby, because it's gonna have all of your hair up, so you don't have to worry about any of your hair being exposed, heat damage, manipulation, anything. So you'll basically just be using this hair as your curly fro. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I do. All I have is the crochet hair, a crochet needle, of course, and I already braided my hair and I put it into a bun in the back, which you will be seeing. You can either sew your braids up. I like to just put mine in a bun because it's going to be a fro. You're not going to be able to see it anyway. So let me get my crochet needle and get started. I'm going to go ahead and do the first one for you so y'all can see exactly what I do. I'm going to take this crochet needle and I'm going to take the crochet hair. I'm going to stick the needle into my hair. I'm going to then, you see how it's parted? I took like a piece. Let me show y'all what I did. I had a piece just like this, and I took a small piece from this and I separated it just like that, so that you get that right there. And it's okay if it gets frizzy, that's fine. It gives it a natural look, baby. So you are going to take the hook of this, you're going to hook it on right there, close it up, pull through this loop you have, this loop right here. You're going to basically do a tie. So you're going to take both pieces into the hole, then you're going to turn the loop, then you're going to tie it again, kind of like a hair tie. Turn the loop, pull the hair through. You're going to want to pull tight, and it's in there. It's in there. It's not going nowhere, baby. It's in there. So we're going to do that all throughout the head. So I just wanted to demonstrate that for y'all to make sure y'all can see. Sometimes you could do one piece, sometimes you could do both pieces in the loop. I like to do two, sometimes one. It just depends, but for now we're gonna just do the two like we did in the beginning. We're gonna cover all this. I'm gonna take y'all along with me. So it is now 4:42 in the afternoon. Stay tuned. So y'all, I would recommend, if you're trying to pull these apart, you don't want this to happen. So the hair might feel a little dry. So what I'm doing is using a little bit of like some oil that I have on my hands and literally putting it onto the hair, so that when I go to pull the pieces apart, it's not getting. So now I can pull apart these pieces super easily. Okay, so make sure you add a little bit of oil, moisture, something, so it doesn't cause too much friction when you pull those pieces apart to use the pieces on your hair. So just make sure you keep that tip in mind so you don't waste any hair. Okay, y'all, so I'm almost done. It is now 6 o'clock. I've been doing this since 4:42. It's almost 6 o'clock. It's looking pretty full. This is honestly two packs. This is 2 packs. Yeah, this is like 2 packs. It's really full. Honestly, I might be putting a little bit too much. So I'm gonna start on this top right here, and I'm gonna do like a bang up here. So what you want to try to do if you're going for the same look, you're going to want to make sure that you put pieces way close up here, as close as you can, so that you can get like that bang look. And then I'm going to cut it so that it's not so long. But yeah, almost done. I'm going to show you guys how I do like the last 2 braids, and then I'm going to show you guys how I cut it, and we're going to go from there. So let me show y'all a trick. Here's a trick you want to do in case you can see your lines very well. So let's say like right here, right, you can see my line. You can get a crochet needle, stick it in one braid and put it into the other, and then you can just crochet like normal and put it through both. And do everything the same. Just tie it and tie it tight, and then you can split this in half and then make like a tie like this and pull, and it'll stay tight and it'll just hide that line right there. Crochet through the front of this and the front of this. I do it about 3 times, and then you can also, for security, just make like a tie like that and pull to hide that line. So this is how it's looking. It's all over the place, but yeah, we're gonna try to cut this the best way possible. Oh. Okay, so I need to see my phone so I can cut this. So I'm gonna go for like a fro that's gonna like layer down like this. So I'm gonna start from over here. So that's like the length I'm going for, maybe a little bit shorter. But of course we're gonna move this to the front and cut it so it can be our bangs. But I'm not gonna move it up to the front just yet. I'm gonna do it once we have the back cut how I want. Oh, and I meant to mention this is like 3 to 4 packs of hair. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. It's giving very much big hair vibes, very natural. I love the curls and this lippy with this hairstyle. I might have used a little bit too much hair, but that's okay, that's okay. Another thing I will say, I probably would have braided my hair a little bit differently. I wouldn't have done straight back. I might have maybe done it like to the side, or just a different type of braid pattern, because I kept having to get rid of that line that was right there, and it's just too much to do to get that line away. So yeah, I really like this look. I hope you guys love it as well. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Ooh. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle in the comments, and I will see y'all in my next video.
I know you try to get one down on us, ever since then it's been stress. Cause you know the reps, them owe you one, and we always pay them debts. Wassa wassa, just like the Crody's press, I don't keep no pasta. Link with Skull and cousin Jamie and y'all, we kept on Gaza. Pasha, Sasha, pissed I was way too young at the time for slashings. You niggas spend too much time on captions, not enough time on action. Pick one man with slaps that's rapping, I bet he don't want no clashes. The LV pouch on chest is just for fashion, niggas just acting. Are you dumb and stupid? The wheels on the roses, chromas, headshot domas. Just checked in at a hotel floor that we on, got potent aromas. Cash and vodka, Gucci, P and Gilla. And the boy that sound like he sang on Thriller.